All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is the unboxing of a Homedics bath scale. It's supposed to be a digital scale, and what really attracted my attention to this specific scale right here is this marble design. It looks really good. You have like a bathroom that got like a white floor. And also has, let's see, you got 3 AAA batteries included, auto on, step on for instant readings. That's super convenient right there. And let's see, it holds up, as far as the weight goes, it holds up to 440 pounds. So that is really good. I feel like we got a bargain on this deal. It was like close to like $35, so it's a good deal. Like I said, the design is eye-catching, really caught our attention. So yeah. So right here, as you can clearly see, we got the Homedics bath scale, digital scale, glass platform. It holds up to 440 pounds, and we're about to do unboxing now. Let's see what's in the box. I hope that I didn't break this, but let's see what's in the box really fast. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Alright, so let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Open up from the side. Oh wow, okay. Alrighty. So this is good news. So when you open the box, it has good protection, as it stops it from getting cracked by accident from the delivery. That's really good. And it does come with 3 batteries. Like I said, the batteries is taped on the bag, and they are AAA batteries. So that's really nice. You don't have to go to the store and buy any batteries. They give you a first set of batteries. Now I don't know how long this will last. I'll probably recommend you get your own batteries because you don't know how long this will last. But yeah, let's see. So this is 3 batteries that come with it. This is the scale. Got the bag on it. Here you go right here. Homedics digital scale. It's item number 5271614. Alrighty, just in case y'all are interested in getting this specific product, the item number is 5271614. It's Homedics digital scale. Wow, I'm zooming this in for y'all. I can see it. Alright, so right now I'm going to see what's in the box. So what we got in the box here is we got the instruction manual. The instruction manual, y'all can clearly see Homedics. The model number is 527, like I stated before, 1614. It's a digital scale. I'm just praying and hoping that this lasts for a very long time, this scale. The last scale I bought, it wasn't digital, and I decided to go digital because the last one just broke. And it was brand new, and I'm not going to give out the brand, but I decided to go digital. So hopefully this one right here will last for a long stint of time. I'm hoping that it'll be very durable. And I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. This is the Homedics digital scale. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel where I do product reviews and unboxing, and also cash giveaways. This is Super Album TV, ladies and gentlemen.